Welcome to Create Income with or without a job. I'm Jamila Harris, your Create Income coach. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Create Income Coach. Visit our website, createincomewithoutajob.com. Become part of our Create Income family. As many of you know of my story, if you've heard any of our videos before, I lost my full-time job in 1980 and 18 months later found myself broke, homeless, and with not a clue where my next income was coming from. Create Income with or without a job is a result of the actual step-by-step journey that I traveled to reaching a point where I could finally create some income again in my life. That's what we seek to help you to do. So all of our resources that we have made available, including the audiobooks, which are available as audio downloads on the website, all of the resources we are trying to give you, empower you, so that as you walk this journey of trying to create income for yourself and your families, you will succeed. You don't have to go through trial and error like I did and like many of us in that 1980-82 recession had to. So today we want to talk about, from Create Income with or without a job, a new thought process that is necessary as you move from remembering yourself and thinking of yourself as an employee or as someone whose income comes externally from a paycheck, from a salary, shifting your thought process to becoming a person who creates income yourself, someone who attracts and brings in income through your own gifts, talents, abilities, and efforts. So there are literally 5 new thoughts that are essential to becoming successful at creating income without a job and also handling your finances without a paycheck. We have another video that talks about a 90-day transitional budget and keep the wolf away from the door plan. Be sure to empower yourself by just consuming as much of this information as possible. So today we're talking about 5 new thoughts that you will need to basically adapt in order to successfully create income for yourself. New thought number 1, I am self-employed. My money comes from my efforts and actions that I take daily to bring money in. I am self-employed. Self-employed means you are the source of your income based on your efforts and your everything you do on a daily basis to bring income into yourself. New thought number 2, I am special. I'm unique, and I have a special, valuable way of doing things that is worth money. You have gifts, talents, abilities, and a way that you do things that is valuable and that others will want to pay you for. New thought number 3, I can earn enough money to satisfy and take care of all of my financial needs. Being self-employed and being the source of your income doesn't mean that you won't have enough. You can earn enough income to take care of all of your expenses and beyond. New thought number 4, I can do more than one type of work to create more than one type of income at a time. So yes, you can. You can do more than one thing at a time. Multiple sources of income is very important when you are self-employed. So developing income streams from different things that you do is very important. You can do more than one type of work at a time to create more than one type of income at a time. New thought number 5. My goal is not just earning money. My goal is self-independence. My goal is financial independence. Financial independence means you reach a time where you do not have to work for money. You have money already on hand. You have sufficient money for the duration of your life that you do not have to live your life in pursuit of money to pay monthly bills and to survive. There is a way to live beyond survival and create income with or without a job. We'll also share with you, when you're ready, wealth building strategies so that you can reach that point of financial independence. I'm Jamila Harris, Create Income Coach. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Create Income Coach. Visit our website, createincomewithoutajob.com, and share this video with others. Stop looking for a job. Create income with or without a job.